Hey guys, in this video we're going to draw a Doberman Pinscher puppy. Here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end, and I hope you're really excited to follow along with me. For this lesson we're using a pencil first to draw the main shapes of our dog, and then we're using our black marker to add lines and details. Then we use our alcohol-based markers to color it in. I'm also using marker paper to draw on. This helps make the markers last much longer than using regular printer paper. All right, let's get started. First, let's draw a circle for our Doberman's head. And they have kind of small heads compared to their bodies. So we're gonna draw it about this size. And we can erase any extra lines we don't want to keep. Don't worry about making these lines perfect. This is just meant to get the shapes just the way we want it before we switch to our markers. Now let's draw the body. We're going to draw it skinnier than some of our other puppy drawings. So we're going to draw the shoulders too, coming out on each side and then down. And then we can connect these lines down here at the bottom. Let's also draw the pointy ears. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on each side. And then up here at the top, we're going to draw another diagonal line coming down. And then right here, we're going to curve into the head. So we can draw another diagonal on this side and then curve in. There we go. There's the main shapes for our Doberman. Now let's switch to our marker and we can add the details. Let's first start with the nose. We're going to draw it down here towards the bottom, and we're going to draw the letter U, and then we can draw a curve to connect the top. Then let's draw the mouth. We'll curve down and then out to the side, and then a matching curve or letter U on the other side. Let's also color in the nose. Next, we can draw the eyes. Let's draw one circle and then another circle to match on the right. Then we can add the highlights, small little circles in the top of each eye, and then color in the big circle, leave that little circle white. Next, let's draw the shape of the head and also the ears. Let's draw a line or curve over the top of the head, just tracing over the pencil line. Then for the ears, we'll draw a diagonal line going up. And then right at the top, we can draw a little curve so that they're still pointy, but not a sharp point. And then we can curve down to the circle. And then let's come back over here and we'll draw the other ear coming up, and then a small little point or curve at the top, and then back into the head. Then let's draw the bottom part of the head, and instead of tracing over the pencil right here on the side, let's draw more of a straight line down first, and then we'll draw over the pencil line and connect those straight lines together. Yeah, now let's draw the legs. We can trace over the pencil down to the bottom, and then we can draw the paws, and they have really strong, kind of skinny legs. So we're going to draw smaller paws. Oh, let's also draw the inside line first before we draw the rest of the paw. So we'll draw the inside of each leg. And these legs are kind of skinny compared to our other puppies that we've drawn. And then we can draw the rest of the paw connecting in. This side got even skinnier. That's okay. Then we could draw two toe lines. Yeah, this one got really skinny. And then let's draw the belly connecting in between. And then we can draw the back legs. It will come up here and we'll curve down. And the same thing on the side to match. And then we can draw the back paw curving out and connecting to the front paw. And then we can add two toe lines there also. Now let's draw the tail, and we're going to draw it coming out of the leg right here up to a point and then back down. They have skinny tails. And there we go, we finished, except we still need to color our Dobermans. It'll look more like the dog once we add the color. So this part we'll fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match my same coloring. Now, before we color though, let's switch to our eraser and erase any of the pencil lines you can still see. Now it really looks like a Doberman Pinscher all colored in. I hope you'll take time to color your drawings too. You can pause the video to match my same coloring. We added these little orange spots here and also the patch under his mouth and over his eyes. Then we colored his ears and also his little socks. I colored mine the dark brown version, but you could color yours black if you want. But I would recommend using a really dark gray, but not a black, so that the eyes still show up. You could also add a background to really complete your drawing. And I hope you had a lot of fun following along with me and drawing a Doberman Pinscher puppy. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.